Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Alfred, and thank you for joining me in this review. Today, I'll be reviewing Russell Branson's book, "The Traffic Secrets." I'm sure you've heard the buzz around traffic secrets. So, join me as I review what you'll find inside Traffic Secrets. Russell is a very successful entrepreneur, and he has authored a good number of uh, books, and one of them is The Traffic Secrets that is aimed at helping you find your dream customer. Uh, he has this concept that he calls that when you created a wonderful product, you'll naturally expect that customers will come to you, but that's not the case. You need to have some skills of driving traffic to your offer. So, what is it that is inside the Traffic Secrets book? First of all, you need to realize that Traffic Secrets comes into two forms. You can have the manual book, physical book, and also the audiobook. So you have the option of choosing between just having the normal physical book, or you can have the audiobook too. Uh, I'd advise that you go for both because the physical book will take some time before it reaches to you because of delays in shipping, uh, especially during this corona era, the shipping could be delayed. But if you go for the audiobook, you'll access it immediately. As a reminder, the physical book is free, but you pay for the shipping. If you are situated in the USA, you pay $9.95 for shipping. But if you are located outside the USA, you pay $19.95 for shipping. And the audiobook goes for $37. So, depending on your pocket, you uh, decide whether you want only the physical book or do you want to go for both the physical and the audiobook. But I recommend go for both so that as you wait for the physical book, you could be going through the audiobook. Um, for me, I managed to get a copy of the audiobook, and I'll walk you through what you'll find inside. So this is what you'll find inside the audiobook as an interesting coverage with a practical approach, and um, a done for you presentation on how you go about your traffic. So this is the contents, very long content list. You see, have the foundation, market discovery, copywriting secrets, keyword science, email marketing tactics, borrowing traffic, shopping engines and Amazon, traffic formulas, buying media and sponsorships, Google Ads, podcasts and broadcasts, mobile app marketing, software and widgets, Facebook ads, traffic retargeting, international opportunities, social media strategy, traffic recycling, Google SEO, building a content factory, content curation method, YouTube marketing expansion and scalability, and a grand master plan for your traffic secrets. So the contents are quite long, as you can see. The foundation has a whole list with the documents that you need to follow and recommended resources at the end of each, each chapter. See, and this is how it looks like. So it's very much details. It's a video presentation with a practical approach and resources at the end of each video presentation. So You can decide to go for both the audiobook and the physical book, or just the audiobook. You are good to go. Actually, I've put to use what I've learned in this presentation of traffic secrets, and in the last 1 month, I've seen uh, a steady increase in my source of traffic, and I find it a very useful book. So I encourage you uh, to find time and review it. It's an important addition to your library, and it will assist you to find the right customers uh, for your business. And if you go for the physical book, there are some bonuses that you'll get in addition to the physical book. Um, Let me just show you. First of all, for the physical book, section 1 will cover how you discover your dream customer and how you'll fill your funnels with your anticipated customers. And stage 3 will cover scaling your traffic sources. So these are people who have, this is a whole combination of what you'll get if you go for the whole bundle of traffic secrets. It has physical book and audiobook, among other additions. These are people who have used bought the book and used the secrets that Russell is talking about, and they have been quite successful. So, in addition to the book, you get first bonus, which is the Traffic Secrets Foundation. This is a 60-minute presentation on how you get your dream customers. You also have the ultimate unfair advantage presentation, how you scale your videos using the smartphone. We also have third bonus, how to make a video go viral. And then also have a fourth bonus, the ultimate traffic hack on how to publish on every platform without consuming your life. Other than that, at the end of, after reading the book, people start asking what next. There is the 30-day traffic secrets where you can enroll and, put to practice what you've read. It's trying to open. Yeah, as I was saying, I've put to use the secrets that Russell has documented in his audiobook, and I've seen a steady rise in traffic to my blog in the last 1 month. So they're very practical secrets, and they're working. So I'd recommend you check it out and sharpen your skills on driving traffic to your offers, to your website, because without traffic, you're not going to make any sales.